Hi friends, now we will discuss about the world's famous painting, Mona Lisa painting. This painting was painted by the Da Vinci artist. Let's we talk about the Mona Lisa painting. This painting is very beautiful and one Mona Lisa princess picture of this one. Let's we talk about this Mona Lisa painting. The Mona Lisa is a half-length portrait of a woman by the Italian artist Leonardo da Vinci, which has been acclaimed as the best known, the most visited, the most written about, the most sung about, the most parodied work of art in the world. This is the so many records are here for this painting. This painting is the most visited and most written and most visited, most sung of the world art. The painting thought to be a portrait of Lisa Gherardini, the wife of Francesco del Giocondo, is in oil on a white Lombardy poplar panel and is believed to have been painted between 1503 and 1506. Leonardo may have continued working on it as late as 1517. It was acquired by King Francis I of France and is now the property of the French Republic on permanent display at the Louvre Museum in Paris since 1797. The subject's expression, which is frequently described as enigmatic, the monumentality of the composition, the subtle modeling of forms, and the atmospheric illusionism were novel qualities that have contributed to the continuing fascination and study of the work. The title of the painting, which is known in English as Mona Lisa, comes from a description by Renaissance art historian Giorgio Vasari, who wrote Leonardo undertook to paint for Francesco del Giocondo the portrait of Mona Lisa, his wife. Mona in Italian is a polite form of address originating as Madonna, similar to Mom, Madam, or My Lady in English. This became Madonna and its contraction Mona. The title of the painting, though traditionally spelled Mona, is also commonly spelled in modern Italian as Mona Lisa, Mona being a vulgarity in some Italian dialects, but this is rare in English. This is the overview of the Mona Lisa painting, and this is the best painting in the world. Thank you for watching about Mona Lisa painting.